Good day. Welcome. This is Porthmadog Halt, temporary terminus of the Welsh Highland Railway, Rheilffordd Ucheldir, Cymru. The train stops here for about 7 minutes, whilst the locomotive runs around and couples up for the return journey. You may, if you wish, alight from the train. We won't go without you. Walk to the end of the present line, 50 yards or so, and you'll see in front of you, across the little lane, the original track of the Welsh Highland Railway. This is where we will soon extend the line to the next stage, which will terminate at the bridge over the Glaslyn River at Porthmadog. Beyond that bridge, the track continues with glorious views of the Cnicht and Snowdon through the Glaslyn Vale to Nantmore. Here there is a dramatic change of scenery with the craggy peaks and foaming waters of the famous Aberglaslyn Pass, Bwlch Aberglaslyn. You may already have walked through the tunnels, carved out of solid granite. Could you imagine a real live steam engine emerging once more from that long tunnel, taking passengers to Bergellert and beyond? Back to the present. As you stand on the platform here, you will see the Porthmadog rocks, world famous as training slopes for climbers, used by beginners and experts. The house facing you to the left of the rocks, now a school, is Porthmadog, the home of William Maddox MP, who built the cob and planned and designed the village of Porthmadog. On your return journey, if operating conditions permit, the train will stop at Gellert Farm Halt, where you will be given a conducted tour of the local shed and workshops. This is where Russell was completely rebuilt by volunteers, and where the carriages were crafted. Here, too, maintenance is ongoing, essential for the running of a successful and safe railway. All this work is carried out by volunteers. People like you, in fact. Do visit the Russell Cafe before you leave. You'll be really welcomed. Tea, coffee, chilled drinks, sandwiches and various refreshments are available. Take time to browse around our shop. We have the reputation of being the best stocked bookshop in railway circles. There's a good selection of railway souvenirs, badges, glassware, and also videos for you to choose from. Why not become a member? Instant membership packs are available in the shop. Ask at the counter. Thank you for travelling with us. Come again. Diolch am eich cwmni. Diolch eto.
Just left there, and it was a sort of second piece of road. We got it in the early 1970s, late 1960s, we bought a new boiler for it, but we didn't get around to fixing it properly until 3 years ago. 1987 first.